This is a Barkbox unboxing. This is This is Ralphie's first box. We got it for him for his birthday. He had a birthday on the 28th of February. He is 3, so this was his birthday present.
So he's very excited.
So he's excited. Can you smell it? I have a knife here. We haven't even opened this to see what's in it yet, so. And I'll leave a link below to what the Barkbox is and what it's all about. So. What is it, Raph?
Go get it, Ralph!
What is it, Raph? What is it?
What is it?
There's paper in here. Look at this.
Beware of attack hug. Guide to Bark and Co. Universe. It's just kind of like a card.
Here, you read what it says about. Let's see, what is it? What does this say? This is from New York Collection. What does it say? It's the Liberty Ball? What is it say?
Oh, it is. It's like the Statue of Liberty.
Oh! This thing is supposed to look like Statue of Liberty.
It says, nothing says you're in NYC like catching a glance of Lady Liberty. And now Barkbox pups get their very own durable rendition of the city's most iconic figure. Let's see the next thing we pull out. Taxi.
Does it squeeze?
So what it says about that. Time to hail your first cab, Barkbox pups. Stick that paw out proudly and tell the driver, next stop, Central Bark. Mini Yum Z's soft training dog treats. Pepperoni recipe made with real chicken. So, is that that? Yeah. Inspired by New York style pepperoni, these soft chicken morsels are grain free and downright irresistible. So he might test that out.
Let's try them out. Rappy, you want a treat? Look, let me open it.
Can I give it to him?
I can get it if it gets out of my way.
Can you tell?
Can I give it to him then?
Oh, it smells like those pepperoni treats. Just so it doesn't get open. Give it a little sip. Is that Raph?
Okay, let's smell them. That smells good. So good. I want to give it
Want to give him one?
that. Smell the bed.
Let him do a little trick for it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Wait.
Ralph, sit. Lay down. Roll. Or play dead.
Good boy.
I think he likes it.
I think he does.
Is that all that's in there?
Nope.
What else we got? What else is there, Raph?
Sojo's dog treats. Simply turkey. 100% raw freeze dried meat. Gently freeze dried to lock in the natural enzymes, vitamins, and minerals. These Simply Turkey treats from Sojo's are simply delicious. So, oh, you gotta take the tag off, dude. That's
Yeah.
really little.
You want the freeze-dried meat?
Raph,
There you go.
Ralph,
let him shake for it. Look, Raph.
Raffy.
No, Emily's got it.
Raph.
Emily's got it.
Ralph. Sit. Shake. Good boy.
Good boy.
Uh-oh.
What is this?
This is... These are... I don't know, kind of...
Smell like
they feel
fish.
funny, yeah. Let him try it. He'll like it. Eat it, Ralph.
You
Uh-oh.
make me eat
Looks
this.
like we got a dud.
100% turkey, it says. You don't like the turkey, Ralph?
He'll like it, I think. He could eat it later.
What are you doing?
Just trying to hear it.
What else is there?
Okay, last thing I pull out is a really small bone. It's curly chews. It's just a bone, and
Is that like a bonus? Oh, it's a lamb's ear.
a delicious, long-lasting chew that's high in protein, low in fat, high pause. High pause.
It's meat, bro.
Oh, we forgot to tell them what they retail for. The lamb's ear is $4. The turkey things are $11. The pepperoni things are $7. The taxi is $10, and Liberty Ball is $8.
The freeze-dried meat is for rubbing your face on it.
Probably not gonna give
Good
him this
boy.
now because he's already eaten
What?
cheese.
What is it? Weird texture. Sit, bro. It's all a Barkbox.
So,
You gonna give him the lamb's ear?
I don't know. He's already.
Nice. But I think he likes the toys, doesn't he?
Yeah, he does like the toys.
So this will be a new playlist on our channel, so you can be checking that out when we have more Barkbox videos.
And it seems like he really liked the mini yummies, the pepperoni ones,
And he
and
doesn't like
as you
it.
can see, he doesn't
Oh,
like
mama,
the
mommy.
turkey ones.
He wants to try the lamb's ear. Here it is.
Good boy.
Literally, like, oh, I think he almost started doing that, and that's not one of his tricks. That's so cool.
This is stuff he's really never had before, so any kind of stuff like this. So.
Yeah.
He likes the bone, or the lamb ears.
He wants to take it back.
He wants to take it back to his den.
So that's it for the Barkbox unboxing. Well, we'll probably do some more of these because we did get him a couple. We're supposed to get him once a month, so. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, both down below. Thumbs up. And if you like these kinds of videos, thumbs up. And we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.